Welcome to another Rowan's Global video tutorial. Today we will disassemble and repair a Sony PlayStation 3. As you can see, when attempting to start the PlayStation 3, it fails to boot, and what you get is a blinking red light. Now that's the problem we're about to fix today. Alrighty. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is unplug the unit. Next, use a T10 torque security bit driver to remove the first screw, which is located here, in this location. Simply slide the panel off the PlayStation 3 to reveal the next set of screws. Next, you want to remove the hard drive. As you can see, this poor PlayStation 3 has a whole bunch of dirt and dust. Oh man, this is why it's been giving issues. After removing the 7 Phillips screws from the top, I was able to get this open, and as you can see, there is a lot of debris, a lot of dirt. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the problem right here. This is not good. But we'll see what we could do. Okay, so here's where we're at. And as you can see, there's a lot of work to be done here. I'm gonna have to clean out all of that gunk. And we still haven't fully disassembled the Sony PlayStation 3. Yeah, so I'll take care of this off camera and I'll come back with an update. Thank you. Okay, we're back, and there's another tool I'd like to introduce you to that we used off camera. The Electro Dust Buster, or Duster. I like to say it's been a real help in getting rid of some of the debris, a lot of the debris actually, in this repair. And I believe I'll be using this throughout this repair. I'm doing it off camera because I'm not actually doing it at the location, because as you know, there's a lot of dust, and even though I have air purifier, I don't want to have it to breathe in any of that stuff, so I do it in a secure area where I can get rid of the dust safely and not have any of that stuff get on anything in here. Now let's review what I did. Now I can actually disconnect some cables to get to the rest of the system, and as you can see, the debris is gone, and we're almost there. Still some more to go, but we're almost there, guys. Alright, see you again in a few. Alright guys, finally got to the fan. Just to give you an idea of what I'm dealing with here. Gonna have to clean all that crap out. Alright, Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera, and we'll be back. Okay guys, this is an update. We're almost at the motherboard. Did some cleaning. We're getting there. Next thing I'm going to do is remove the shield and get to the motherboard, and we'll take it up there. Okay guys, we are here. This is the main board. What we're going to do now is clean off the old thermal paste, which you can see it's pretty much disintegrated on there. And then we're going to apply our new thermal paste. This is good stuff, TG50. And we're back. The thermal paste is properly cleaned off, as you can see here. So did a pretty good job on that. New thermal paste has been applied to the board. Next step now is to reassemble and test. Alright, until then.
Get ready for the next battle. Round one. Fight!
That feels so wrong. Beating on a lady.
You win. Round two. Fight!
Okay.
You win. Get ready for the next battle.